In the evolving world of work, the traditional 5-day, 9-to-5 work week is increasingly being challenged. Companies are experimenting with new models to boost productivity, enhance employee well-being, and attract top talent. One such model gaining significant traction is the 4-day work week. While many companies are piloting this, some, like the work management software company Scoro, have fully embraced it. So, what exactly is a Scoro 4-day work week? And what can project managers learn from their approach? As a project management expert, I find Scoro's commitment to the 4-day work week particularly insightful because they are a company that provides tools for managing work. Their own internal implementation serves as a real-world case study, demonstrating how a shorter work week can be achieved not by simply compressing hours, but by fundamentally rethinking processes and maximizing efficiency, precisely what project management is all about. What is the Scoro 4-day work week? The Scoro 4-day work week refers to Scoro's specific implementation of a reduced work schedule. Here are its key characteristics, which differentiate it from other 4-day week models. No compressed hours. This is crucial. Many companies experimenting with a 4-day week ask employees to work the same 40 hours, but crammed into 4 longer days, e.g., 4 10-hour days. Scoro's model is different. Employees work 32 hours per week, typically 4 8-hour days. No change in salary. Employees maintain their full salary and benefits, receiving the same pay for fewer hours worked. This demonstrates a strong commitment to valuing employee well-being and productivity. No loss of expected productivity. The underlying principle is to achieve the same, or even greater, output in 32 hours as was previously achieved in 40. This isn't about working less, but working smarter. Strategic, data-driven implementation. Scoro didn't just decide on a 4-day week on a whim. They studied their own internal data, which showed that Fridays were already significantly less productive across their platform. This informed their decision to make Friday the default day off for most employees. Focus on optimization, not just time off. Scoro emphasizes that a 4-day week isn't a quick win, based solely on increased employee happiness. They believe sustained success requires fundamental changes to how work is done, including streamlined communication, reducing unnecessary meetings and establishing clear asynchronous communication protocols, improved planning and time management, leveraging their own work management platform to ensure tasks are prioritized, deadlines are clear, and time is utilized effectively, increased automation, automating repetitive and low-value tasks to free up human time for more impactful work. Prioritizing well-being, recognizing that a well-rested and less stressed workforce is inherently more productive. The project management lessons from Scoro's approach. Scoro's successful transition to a 4-day work week offers invaluable lessons for project managers aiming to optimize their team's performance, even if a full 4-day week isn't immediately feasible for their organization. Efficiency is the ultimate goal. The core takeaway from Scoro is that a shorter work week isn't simply about reducing hours. It's about forcing a radical improvement in efficiency. Project managers should constantly seek ways to do more with less, regardless of the weekly hour count. This means scrutinizing every process, every meeting, and every communication. Asynchronous communication is key. In a world where team members might be off on different days or working across time zones, relying less on real-time meetings and more on well-documented, asynchronous communication becomes critical. Tools like shared project boards, detailed task descriptions, and written updates, like those within Scoro's own platform, are vital. Project managers should champion clear, concise written communication and establish norms for when real-time interaction is truly necessary. Ruthless prioritization is non-negotiable. With fewer hours, every minute counts. Project managers must become masters of prioritization, ensuring that teams focus only on tasks that genuinely contribute to project goals. This means saying no to non-essential requests, minimizing context switching, and clearly defining the must-haves versus the nice-to-haves. Leverage technology for automation. Scoro, as a software company, naturally leans into automation. Project managers, regardless of their industry, should identify repetitive manual tasks that can be automated. This could be anything from automated reminders and status updates to integrating different software tools to eliminate manual data entry. The goal is to free up human capacity for creative, strategic, and problem-solving work. Data-driven decision-making. Scoro used its own data to identify unproductive patterns, e.g., less activity on Fridays. Project managers should cultivate a similar data-driven mindset, tracking time spent on tasks, analyzing project bottlenecks, and gathering feedback on process efficiency can provide insights for improvement. Empowerment and trust. For a 4-day week to work, there must be a high degree of trust between management and employees. Project managers need to empower their teams, trust them to manage their time effectively, and focus on outcomes rather than simply hours logged. This requires clear goal setting and accountability. Focus on well-being and sustainable pace. Scoro explicitly links the 4-day week to employee well-being, recognizing that happier, healthier employees are more productive in the long run. Project managers should be mindful of burnout, advocate for reasonable workloads, and encourage breaks and work-life balance within their teams. A sustainable pace prevents costly churn and maintains team morale. Continuous improvement. Kaizen Scoro didn't just flip a switch. They launched their 4-day week with a commitment to continuously monitor, measure, and optimize their processes. This agile approach to organizational change is a core project management principle. It means being willing to experiment, gather feedback, and iterate on what works best for your team. The Scoro 4-day work week is more than just a reduced schedule. It's a philosophy of work rooted in efficiency, smart processes, and a commitment to employee well-being. For project managers, it offers a compelling blueprint for how to lead teams to achieve high performance, even with compressed timelines, by prioritizing intelligent work over simply more hours. It serves as a powerful reminder that true productivity comes not from endless toil, but from focused, well-managed effort.